What's up YouTube, what's up everybody, it's your boy whoisjbeats right here with another awesome and amazing video. Yeah, so for today's video I feel like making a beat. Who should I make? Which beat should I make? Okay, I feel like making a Polo G type beat. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. So before I get to today's video, drop a like, click that like button right now, and then subscribe to my channel, because right now I'm at I think 17 subscribers. So, and I really appreciate y'all that subscribe. So make sure to click that subscribe button now, and get 10 years of good luck, as everybody says, and it's true. So click that subscribe button right now, and also you could also click that notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Okay, let's get to the video. So in today's video I have Nexus. I have my piano from Nexus. Just gonna quickly do that. Get my piano, a grand piano from Nexus. Alright, let's get to the beats. Firstly, let's get over to 99 BPM. Alright, let's build up the chords from here. So just some major chords right here. Alright. Get this one. I'm feeling the vibe. Repeat this and then cut it, then give it some bottom melody. Then also bring it down also. Then reduce this one. Alright, now I'm just gonna clone this, and then I'll just give it some top melody. I do not want to put it in the main melody. I just want to do something different. I just want to try something different with it. So just gonna record that in. Alright, quantize it. This one is off. Okay. then I'm just going to quickly add a hi-hat. Then I'll just quickly put a MIDI. And then a clap. Turn this off. Shorten it, make it short. Then the 808s, gonna use this chord itself, and then piano roll. I'm just gonna follow the root notes. And then I'm gonna add a kick to make it punchy. Let's see how this kick plays out. I don't like this one. Alright, here we go. Add some vocal chops, so we'll quickly add the vocal chop. Take this volume down a bit. I just want to quickly make this one different, because for me it's sounding so repetitive, so I'll make some changes. So I just want to add some other vocal chops, so I'm just gonna add which is just gonna come, you know, once in a while. Alright, so what I want to do next is, I think I'm just going to add some variations to the clap, something that's going to complement the clap. Alright, this snare will do. Alright, then I just want to add some open hats, then I'm done. Add some reverse open hats, piano roll, and then alright, then I just want to add this, add this. Then I'm just gonna go to the mixer and then use this, and then take out the low end, take the low end, but I don't want to do too much. I don't want to take out too much, just a little will do. Add reverb to this. I'm gonna add reverb to this. And then take the volume down. Alright guys, I just finished arranging the beats, so I'm just gonna play the beat for you guys to listen. Alright guys, this is the finished beat. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, I really appreciate y'all that stayed up to this moment, and do not forget to like, subscribe, click that subscribe button right now, and then click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys same time, same channel. Hey, let's go. Peace.